Gold is surging, investors are nervous, the markets are volatile, the stock market is experiencing significant fluctuations, causing a wave of anxiety among investors. As the financial landscape becomes increasingly unpredictable, many are seeking refuge in more stable assets. When uncertainty hits, many turn to gold as a safe haven. This precious metal has long been considered a reliable store of value, especially during times of economic turmoil. Investors are flocking to gold, buying bars, coins, and even jewelry, as they look for ways to protect their wealth. It's a tangible asset with a long history of holding its value. Unlike paper currency or digital assets, gold is something you can physically hold, and its value has been recognized for centuries. From ancient civilizations to modern economies, gold has always been a symbol of wealth and security. Right now, gold's shine is getting brighter as economic worries darken. With headlines dominated by negative economic news, the allure of gold is stronger than ever. Investors are increasingly turning to gold as a hedge against inflation, currency devaluation, and other financial risks. We're seeing a classic flight to safety. This phenomenon occurs when investors move their money from riskier investments to safer ones, like gold. The current market conditions are driving this behavior, as people seek to preserve their capital in uncertain times. Trade wars, tariffs, and political instability are making people jittery. These factors contribute to the overall sense of unease in the markets. Trade tensions between major economies, new tariffs being imposed, and political unrest are all adding to the volatility. Gold is seen as a reliable store of value in these turbulent times. Its ability to maintain value when other assets are losing theirs makes it an attractive option. Investors are reassured by gold's historical performance and its role as a hedge against economic instability. But what's driving this latest gold rush? Let's dig in. Several factors are contributing to the current surge in gold prices. Economic uncertainty, geopolitical tensions, and changes in monetary policy are all playing a role. Analysts are closely watching these developments, and financial experts are debating the future trajectory of gold. As we delve deeper, we'll explore the underlying reasons behind this renewed interest in gold, and what it means for investors moving forward. President Trump's trade policies have been anything but predictable. Tariffs have been a key weapon in his arsenal. The goal? To protect American jobs and industries. The reality? A lot of uncertainty and unintended consequences. Tariffs are essentially taxes on imported goods. They make those goods more expensive for consumers. This can lead to higher prices and reduced demand. Businesses get caught in the crossfire, facing higher costs and disrupted supply chains. Remember when Trump slapped tariffs on steel and aluminum imports? The goal was to boost domestic production. Did it work? The jury is still out. What we do know is that these tariffs created a ripple effect. Prices for steel and aluminum went up. Companies that use these metals in their products felt the pinch. Some industries benefited, but others struggled to adjust. So, where does gold fit into all of this? Gold is often seen as a safe haven asset. When economic storms brew, investors seek shelter in gold. Why? Because it tends to hold its value even when other assets, like stocks, are tanking. Gold is a physical asset not tied to any one country or economy. It's also a hedge against inflation. When the value of currency declines, gold often rises. This makes it an attractive option during times of economic uncertainty. Section 5. History repeats gold in times of trouble. History is full of examples of gold surging during crises. Think back to the 2008 financial meltdown. Panic gripped the markets. Investors fled to the safety of gold, pushing its price to record highs. More recently, geopolitical tensions in 2022 sent shockwaves through the global economy. Guess what happened? Gold prices skyrocketed again. People sought stability amidst the chaos, and gold provided that sense of security. Section 6. Trump's trade tactics, fueling the fire. Some argue that Trump's unpredictable trade policies have contributed to the current gold rush. The tariffs, the trade wars, the constant uncertainty, it all creates volatility in the markets. Investors crave stability. When they don't see it, they look for safe havens. Gold, with its long history of weathering economic storms, becomes a natural choice. So, it's plausible that Trump's trade tactics have played a role in gold's recent rise. Section 7. The future of gold. What lies ahead? As we delve into the future of gold, we find ourselves peering into a crystal ball, trying to decipher the blurry images of what's to come. The future is always uncertain, but there are some clues we can look at to make educated guesses. Predicting the future of gold prices is like predicting the weather tricky business. Just as meteorologists use various models and data to forecast the weather, financial experts analyze a myriad of factors to predict gold prices. Both fields require a deep understanding of patterns and trends, yet both are subject to sudden changes and surprises. However, some factors suggest that gold's shine might not fade anytime soon. Geopolitical tensions remain high. Conflicts and political instability around the world often drive investors towards gold as a safe haven. When uncertainty looms, gold tends to shine brighter as a reliable store of value. The global economy is still fragile. Inflation is a concern. Economic indicators from various countries show a mixed bag of recovery and struggle. Inflation in particular erodes the purchasing power of money, making gold an attractive hedge. Historically, gold has been a go-to asset during times of high inflation. As long as these uncertainties persist, gold is likely to remain an attractive investment. Investors often turn to gold to diversify their portfolios and mitigate risks. The tangible nature of gold, combined with its historical significance, makes it a preferred choice for many. Of course, there are no guarantees. The financial markets are inherently unpredictable. While gold has a track record of being a safe haven, it is not immune to market forces and can experience fluctuations. Gold prices can be volatile. Just like any other asset, gold is subject to market dynamics. Prices can rise and fall rapidly based on a variety of factors, including changes in interest rates, currency values, and investor sentiment. But in these uncertain times, gold provides a sense of security that many investors find appealing. The allure of gold lies in its ability to retain value over the long term. For centuries, gold has been a symbol of wealth and stability. In today's volatile economic landscape, it continues to offer a sense of security and peace of mind to those who seek a reliable investment. From ancient civilizations to modern economies, gold has always held a special place. Its journey from the depths of the earth to the vaults of investors is a testament to its enduring value. As we look ahead, gold's legacy as a precious metal and a trusted investment is likely to continue. Around the world, gold markets are thriving. From individual investors to large financial institutions, the demand for gold remains strong. Major markets in Asia, Europe, and the Americas continue to drive the global gold trade, reflecting its universal appeal. Beyond investment, gold also holds cultural and aesthetic value. Gold jewelry, coins, and bullion are cherished not just for their monetary worth but also for their beauty and significance. This multifaceted appeal ensures that gold will always have a place in our lives. Looking to the future, gold's role may expand even further. With advancements in technology, gold is finding new applications in electronics, medicine, and even space exploration. Its unique properties make it an invaluable resource in various cutting-edge fields. In conclusion, while the future is always uncertain, the prospects for gold remain promising. Its historical resilience, combined with its diverse applications and enduring appeal, suggests that gold will continue to be a valuable asset for years to come. Whether as a safe haven in turbulent times or a symbol of wealth and beauty, gold's future looks bright. Section 8. Investing in uncertainty, gold's potential. So, should you be rushing out to buy gold bars? Not necessarily. But it's worth considering gold as part of a diversified portfolio. It's a hedge against risk, a potential buffer against economic downturns. Remember, investing always involves risk. Gold is no exception. Its price can fluctuate. But in a world grappling with uncertainty, gold's allure as a safe haven asset remains strong. Section 9. Conclusion, a golden hedge. The world is a volatile place. Every day we are bombarded with news of economic shifts, political upheavals, and market fluctuations. These events create an environment of uncertainty that can be challenging to navigate. Trade wars, political instability, and economic uncertainty are the new normal. Countries imposing tariffs on each other, leaders clashing over policies, and economies facing downturns have become regular occurrences. These factors contribute to a sense of unpredictability in the global market. In this environment, it's no surprise that investors are turning to gold. Gold has always been seen as a reliable store of value, especially when other assets are losing their worth. Investors are increasingly looking for ways to protect their wealth, and gold offers a sense of stability. Gold has a long history as a safe haven asset. From ancient civilizations to modern times, gold has been treasured for its enduring value. It has been used as currency, jewelry, and a symbol of wealth and power. Its historical significance adds to its appeal as a secure investment. It's a tangible store of value that provides a sense of security during turbulent times. Unlike paper money or digital assets, gold is a physical commodity that you can hold in your hand. This tangibility gives investors confidence that their wealth is protected. While no one can predict the future of gold prices with certainty, its historical performance suggests that it will continue to be a valuable asset. Analysts and experts often debate the future of gold, but its track record speaks for itself. Its appeal as a hedge against risk is likely to endure. In times of crisis, gold often shines the brightest. Whether it's inflation, currency devaluation, or geopolitical tensions, gold provides a buffer against these risks. As we look to the future, gold remains a golden hedge.